Here's how you can find potential customers in your email using AI. I'm constantly getting a bunch of emails from my product findusers.ai, ranging from customer support or feature requests. So I'd like to analyze all of these emails and see if I can get any potential leads, and I'm going to use AI for that. To accomplish this, we're going to use Claude AI and Model Context Protocol. We have already made a video on how to set it up, so you can just find it in our profile. Now, besides Claude and MCP setup, we'll have to connect it to Gmail. The first thing that we will need to do is to run this command in your terminal. In order to do that in your Mac, click on Command Space and type terminal. You will find this app, open it. So just paste the command that you copied earlier and then press enter. Once it's done, go to this URL, console.cloud.google.com/apis. Click on the credentials button here. In the credentials window, click on create credentials. Then click on OAuth client ID. Choose web application. Now we're going to go back to this guide and then copy this URL. After you've chosen web application, these inputs will appear. Here, paste the first part of the URL that we copied before, and here you can paste the entire thing. So basically the difference here is that this URL does not contain the slash, the path. This one is containing the slash. Click on create button here, and after some time, it will provide you following credentials. Click on download JSON. Now click on the search bar at the top and type Gmail. Once you do that, you will find this Gmail API. Click on it. It will open following page and it will have a button called enable. Just click on it and enable this API. Now rename downloaded file to the following. Once you downloaded and renamed the file, run the following commands one by one. So first, cd downloads, enter. After that, this command, enter. After that, this command, enter. So what it will do is it will navigate to your downloads directory where the file you downloaded resides. Create a new folder in your root user folder. After that, it will move the file that we downloaded to that folder. We need it for Claude AI to be able to authenticate with your Gmail. After that, run the following command. Once you run it, it will prompt you the authentication using your browser. So authenticate with the Gmail account that you would like to use with Claude AI. Once you do that, go to your Claude, click on settings, go to developer settings, click on edit config. It will go to this file, open it with your any preferred text editor. If you have already followed our MCP guide, you will have a bunch of stuff here. Make sure, after the last comma, paste the following lines. After that, simply close your Claude desktop application and relaunch it. After that, we can simply ask Claude to do anything with our email that we want. So in my case, I just want to find the potential leads, so here is my prompt. All I'm asking is to check the latest 10 emails about findusers.ai and let me know if those users can be converted into potential leads. Now, I'm asking here not to use the real names because I want to avoid leaking the sensitive data to you guys. And here is the result. It outputted the name, the score, which basically tells me how likely the user is to convert, and basically one sentence reasoning that I would like to read myself. This is crazy amount of work saved for me. Now, one of my customers is having an issue with the dashboard, technical issue, and I think that they have some potential to be converted into the paid user as well. So now I'm asking Claude to email Echo back and tell them that we will gladly help them and we can set up a quick call to sort out the issue. So what Claude AI does, it creates the email fine-tuned to the user needs. And then it asks me the confirmation whether I want to read it or send immediately. Now I trust Claude AI, so I just ask it to send it. Then it just sends the email. As you can see here, AI created a very nice reply tailored specifically to the customer. So now I can focus on the problem at hand instead of wasting my time with emails. Just one last note. Whenever you guys are using Claude AI in this way, you are technically feeding the data that you have in your Gmail to the Claude AI. It's going to the internet, it's going to a Trophic or any other company, any other AI that you are using. So if you are interested in the way of accomplishing this result, privately, securely, comment interested and I will get back to you.